Most AI is stuck behind a screen. But this is what happens when AI truly gets to know you and your body. For years, wearables have been a pretty one-way street. They collect your data and they display it in a load of graphs that you don't truly understand. But with their latest update, Luna and the Luna Ring have absolutely changed the game with what they're calling LifeOS and Siri integrations. Let's be real, manual logging is kind of where all of these health tracking apps come to die. Opening up an app to log that 1 cup of coffee or that 30-minute run that you did just seems laborious and a little bit like a chore. At the end of the day, it is a friction point that the majority of us just give up on after a couple of days. You actually end up with fragmented data, zero context, and a dashboard that just feels like a chore. But this is LifeOS with Siri integrations, and it completely changes the game in terms of how you interact with your health. No longer are you checking your health, you are now actively talking to it. Instead of fumbling for your phone and opening up the app to track that coffee, you can simply now just say, "Hey Siri, tell Luna I just had a cup of coffee," and it will automatically add it into your Luna Ring journey. This can happen for a whole range of things. For example, when you drink water, when you have a meal, when you get sunlight, when you go out for a walk or a run or any kind of exercise. It can all be done through the Siri integration directly. Or if you're not on an iOS device, there is Android support coming soon as well, but you can just jump into the app and use the inbuilt speech detection in there. But it's not just about logging either. It's about being able to talk to your health to better understand it. And that is where Talk to LifeOS comes in. You can ask questions in plain English, like, "Why do I feel so wired today?" Or, "How was my recovery?" And because it already knows everything about you from the biometric data that the Ring gives and all of that tracking that you give it, it can give you much better understanding and answers to those questions. This is the first time I felt like a wearable isn't just a sensor, it's a partner. I think perhaps the biggest thing for me is now all of my health data isn't fragmented across 10 different apps. It's all in one place, ready to go. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more about the Luna Ring, both the Gen 1 and the Gen 2, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can watch my full review of those. If you want a deeper dive on how exactly LifeOS works, also let me know, because I'd absolutely love to do a day in the life, so we can do a deep dive on exactly why this is such a breakthrough feature. Anyway guys, if you like this video and like what you see, then you can go ahead and buy your own Luna Ring in the description down below. There'll be a coupon code there which will save you a little bit of money as well. Anyway guys, my name's been Robert, this has been Bite Size Clue, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.